Hi everyone and welcome back to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. Yes, you have seen it's again a Longchamp unboxing concerning the summer sale, and this time it's part 2. As I explained in my previous video, I will release several videos because I bought different items at various times during the summer period and on several places to obtain the best deals. So without further ado, here is an item I bought in another Longchamp reseller. Let's go. And this is not a sponsorized item. The company do not know that I'm going to make this video and just tell their name. So I directly bought this item during the Longchamp Summer sales on the Underlin website, which is a French bag seller. They have several brands. They have Longchamp, they have Coach, they have Le Tanner, Lancaster, and so on. And you know that I'm making a lot of researches on a website to find the best prices. And I know this brand. It's the very first time I ordered from them, and I have to say I'm quite satisfied because they shipped really fast. And the packaging was good. I'm going to insert the unboxing video, and I'm going to show you right now what I have ordered, because I talked to my sales associate, you know, at the La Boutique du Sac, where I traditionally buy my item, and they told me that this time they don't have stock, so they don't put on sale this item, and so that's why I searched in another place, and I bought, so on the Underlin website, a Longchamp Le Pliage, and I got, because it's not everywhere where those are on sale, and I got Longchamp Le Pliage Original size M in the amazing eucalyptus color. And I'm so happy to add it to my collection. Look at the color. I always loved eucalyptus. I do think it's a nice, a bit grayish blue, very soft. It's a relaxing color. Seriously, when I saw it, it's nice, it's smooth, and I love with the brown Russian leather. I think it's passed very well. I choose the M size because it's one of my favorite size at the moment. I used to prefer the S size with the short handle, and finally now I'm really dying for the M size with the long handle. It's so practical to have it like this on you, and you can do things with your hands. That's really nice. The capacity is everything. You can fit what you want inside. It's so big. So when I saw it on sale, this bag used to retail 120 euro, and I got it at 96 euro. It's not a crazy bargain. It's 20% off, but it's nice to have 20% off, let's be honest. And at the moment, it's the best deals I found during this summer sale. Look at the color, it's gorgeous. I will show you the inside. Oops. And the inside is white, and since it's an original bag, you have one big flap pocket on one side, and you have a smaller one here. And this is the Longchamp tag. And the interior is white. I know a bunch of you don't like white interior. Personally, I don't care. And here we are. So I'm really happy. If you remember, I got the guimauve in French, the marshmallow color, which was also this color of the year. And I am super happy because they are matching very well. And from the Le Pliage Original, these two colors were my favorite, so I am super happy to add this one to my collection. I really like it, and I do think this kind of blue will go perfectly all year long, because sometimes you've got strong, not strong blue, you got pop blue, which are like turquoise. Do you remember the turquoise color they released? I finally didn't buy it because it was too vibrant, too pop, and I was afraid, even if I do have pop color in my Le Pliage collection, I was afraid to finally don't go with it, so I prefer eucalyptus. It is more relaxed color. So my friend, tell me in the comment, did you find some Le Pliage on sale? I think you do have sale in Nordstrom. I think in North America. I hope I pronounce correctly. You do have maybe sometimes sales with old color or new color, I don't know, but sometimes I see on websites, on YouTube, I want to say, some unboxing. Tell me in the comment if you grab some Le Pliage item on sale. I'm really happy to have found this one. I love this color. I really love this color. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, or a comment. It really helps my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. It's free and it really keeps my motivation high. And we are nearly 5,000 subbies, so join us. Thanks for watching this video again. Till the next one, take care. I love you and we see us soon. Bye bye.